Listen up, men. This one is for you. If you're having issues during intimacy, there is help for you, and it's not a medication. This is Andrew Reinhardt with Camelback Medical Clinic with all of the details. And mostly ladies, I told you, Andrew, watch our show, and they may be watching this morning and saying, I'm going to be the one who makes the call. How do we get that conversation about erectile dysfunction or ED started?
Well, I think that's a great question. It's all about communication. My personal opinion is that if your man struggles with erectile dysfunction, bringing it up to them, wanting to get it fixed is a compliment to the relationship. You want the intimacy to get better and more frequent. It can be embarrassing and you don't want to damage a man's ego, but ultimately it's a compliment to the relationship.
All right, I love that because you're vesting, right?
Absolutely, you want it to be better.
What's going on? Absolutely, and you all have a treatment that you offer, and it's really a breakthrough treatment. Tell us about it. How does it work?
It is. It's a breakthrough treatment, probably for what it is not. It's not a pill. It's not an injection. It's not surgery. It's called acoustic wave therapy.
And you're holding it in your hand.
That's
so
right.
all the men who are watching are, I'm not going to be honest, they're a little chicken. Is it painful? What does it feel like, and what's happening?
It's not painful. It's not invasive. This is just placed on top of the skin. It delivers pulsating acoustic waves into the tissue. And here's the key. Increases blood flow by opening up the blood vessels. What is ED? It's a lack of blood flow. So finally, something that treats the root cause of the problem. It's not a medication. The best part, no side effects.
How many treatments?
Typically, a man will do a few treatments, call it over 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
So pretty quick, and it can be done, 2 to 3 weeks back to normal.
Back to normal, and they might start, feeling better right away.
They usually do feel a little difference right away. The spontaneity starts to come back.
Let's talk about meds, because a lot of guys don't want to take meds or they want to stop taking medication.
Yes, there are a lot of guys that deal with really nasty side effects, the headaches, the blurred vision, and having to pre-plan things and take the pill ruins that spontaneity. There also are a certain amount of men that can't take the medication at all because of heart issues. It can be dangerous when it comes to blood pressure, things like that. So this is the natural way.
All right, so that takes all of that fear and maybe you're not a good candidate off the table. And what do men share with you following this treatment? What are they coming back and saying about their ED?
That's a great question. Guys come in a little bit hesitant, a little bit embarrassed initially. It's a confidential setting, by the way. After a few weeks, they're generally very happy, saying they wish they would have done it sooner. They've been struggling for so long. Men shouldn't suffer in silence with this. There are so many. Get it taken care of instead of having to suffer for years. Because, by the way, ED typically doesn't get better. I hate to say it. It probably won't go away.
Does it impact different age groups or?
Certainly it does. The stigma is that older men suffer from ED more, but I've seen patients in their 20s. It does happen, and I have patients in their 90s and everything in between.
That's a wide gap.
Yes.
And you have a special offer, and I know it's really important that you want to let guys know that you're doing something good for them.
We're taking all the risk out of this. For those that call us in right now, we'll do an initial assessment, exam, blood flow ultrasound, take our treatments. We've got a special gift for you that will create instant results in the bedroom. So there's no obligation. There's no sales pitch. Come in, meet with a medical doctor, get an ultrasound done, and a full analysis of you totally free.
Yes, and I like that you said it's confidential. That's going to be very important. Okay, let's give you that special offer one more time. Fellas, this is for you. Camelback Medical Clinic, they had that special offer. Call now for that free assessment, exam, and blood flow ultrasound. They're located at 3501 North Scottsdale Road, Suite 231, right there in Scottsdale. 480-535-1000 is the number to call, or you can visit camelbackmedical.com to book an appointment.